Hello everybody, this is 8C from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Monday, the 11th of February 2008, and we'll be looking at the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair. What I'm spotting on the hourly chart is this continuation formation, which could turn out to be a ascending triangle formation or any type of rectangle formation if we see this happening here. At the same time, this might be a part of this upsloping channel, which is right here. And what makes me believe this is, first of all, when we look at the relative strength indicator on the hourly chart, it is right now trading on a level of 61. And when we go to the daily chart, okay, what I see here on the bottom is first of all, we have a divergence which has been forming since the last couple of months, and at the same time, what is more potent for me right now are two other things. The first thing is this resistance level, which has been broken on Thursday, on the 7th of February, and as we saw on Friday, the price held it just a little bit above it, and it formed this small doji formation. At the same time, as we know, that after a big green candle, if we see such a hesitant small bodied candle, the next one is supposed to be again candle in the direction of the previous trend. So if we consider up to be our previous trend because of this prior bullish green candle, then our next candle is again supposed to be bullish or green candle, and our primary price target should be set at this level of 108.50, which is set by this low value here, set on January 5th, January 6th. Okay, if we go to the 8 hours, and actually let's say one more thing here, that the relative strength indicator has touched the level of 50, which is support and resistance level, on Friday on the daily chart, and it started curving up today. If we go to 8 hours time frame, what we can see here is another important thing, and this is this trend line, which if I zoom in, you can see it clearer with the blue line, which is connecting this low here of the 4th of January with this low on the 14th of January, and this high here on the 25th of January. If we look at on the chart on the very right side here, we will see that the price has just closed above this trend line, and we have two hesitant little small bodied candles, and then the next one, which is this one, we might see this candle to be pretty large, and it could reach for this upper level, which is set by the previous lows on the level of 108.50. So if we go back to the 1 hour chart, what we see here is pretty much range trading for now, and one suggestion is that you open a buy position right now, and you place a stop loss order on the level of 107 let's say 15, which is 40 pips below the price action, because the price is trading at 107.55 right now. Another suggestion would be, if you want to be more certain, you can wait for the price to close above the level of 107.70 and on the hourly chart, and then open a buy position with a stop loss order on the level of 107.47, which are going to be 30 pips below the price action if we see such a close on the hourly chart. Okay, so what else can I say about this pair? Again, the relative strength indicator is started curving up on the hourly chart. Another thing that might happen and makes me be more hesitant about this currency pair is that if we see a close above this level of 107.75, then we might see a divergence between the relative strength indicator and the price chart, which if happens might lead to sellers sellers pushing the price down. And if we zoom out in order to see clearer, and if we go to a 2 hours chart, okay, so right here, if we see this candle closing above the level of 107.75, this is going to result in a divergence on the 2 hours chart, which is going to be a pretty hesitant signal, since we have most of the other signals being bullish and only this one being bearish or negative. So again, be very cautious with your trading today, since this is not a 100% sure signal that we might see a continuation of this trend. So if you want to risk a little sum of money, just do that. But again, this is not a very clear clue that we are going to see a continuation of our previous uptrend. Thank you very much and have a good trading day. Bye.